Welcome to Chem Plus. Welcome to Chem Plus with me, King of the Classroom. Today we want to look at how we can identify positive ions like aluminium, calcium, magnesium by adding sodium hydroxide in a process called precipitation, a precipitation reaction. Before I start this lesson, I would like to thank you. We have now reached 524 subscribers. We keep marching. We want to get to 1,000 subscribers. We can also use flame tests to identify the same ions. A flame test just involves you taking what is called a nichrome wire. You can see the nichrome wire at the end of that glass rod. You dip it in the sample, put it on a blue flame on the Bunsen burner, and then you record the flame color. For example, if it is lithium, then it will burn with a crimson red color. If it is potassium, it's going to burn with a lilac flame. And if it's copper, it's going to burn with a green flame. Now then, we want to look at this process where we're doing precipitation reactions with sodium hydroxide. We do not know what is in this sample here. We do not know what is in this sample here. We don't know, but if we add sodium hydroxide to that sample and a white precipitate forms, then the sample could be containing those three: aluminium, magnesium, and calcium. If we add more sodium hydroxide in excess and the precipitate dissolves, we can now confirm that the sample contains aluminium. Right. If the precipitate does not dissolve in excess sodium hydroxide, it means it's having magnesium and calcium. How then are we going to distinguish these two? We are going to distinguish these two by carrying out a flame test. Magnesium is no color and calcium will give an orange color. Right. We are going to go back. We're going to go back to the unknown sample here. Unknown sample here. If a colored precipitate is formed, then it's likely to contain copper ion 2 and ion 3. If the precipitate is red-brown, then we can confirm that the sample is having ion 3 ions. If the precipitate is blue, then we can confirm that it's copper 2. Confirmed.